This video will help you with experimental probability. Remember, that's the probability that is completed based upon the results of an experiment. So you have data collected from an experiment and you're recording that data and then analyzing it to find the likelihood or the probability that something will happen. So looking at question 1, 13 out of 20 junk emails or emails in your inbox are junk emails. Based on this data, is the next email more likely to be a junk email or not a junk email? Explain. So looking at the data, to look at the probability of getting a junk email, that fraction would be 13 out of 20. And if I change that into a percent, so I'm using my calculator to divide 13 by 20, I get 6,500, which is equal to 65%. Since that is more than half the time, I would expect that junk mail would be more likely for my next email than not. So, for my explanation, I would expect junk email as my next email. Since the likelihood of junk email is more than 50%. Looking at our next example, Mandy draws marbles out of a bed, records its colors in the following table. We have red, white, and blue colors, and the frequencies. Based on this data, what fraction of the draws are blue? So I would put the number blue on top, 6, compared to the total, and to find the total, I have to add them all together. So when I do my adding, so 14 plus 12 plus 6 gives me my fraction 6 over 32, and that does reduce. So if I reduce it down, it reduces down to 316. Based on this data, she makes another selection. What color is most likely? So the most likely color would be the one that has the highest fraction of the draws. So when I look at the data, red has a probability or a fraction of 14/32, which is the highest. So I would expect to receive red. So I would expect red. Okay, I hope this video helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.